If you think that you've had a whiplash injury, then you're going to want to watch this video. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins, and today we're going to talk about whiplash, how it can cause chronic pain, and how you can get rid of it. So, what is whiplash? Whiplash is a term used to describe the injuries that happen as a direct result of forceful and uncontrolled rapid back and forth motion of the neck. These injuries happen for a few different reasons. They happen during sports, they happen during slips and falls, they happen during auto accidents. And most of us have heard of this kind of injury, and most of us know that whiplash pain is often associated with auto accidents. However, what we all may not know is that whiplash injuries used to be considered not a big deal. Needless to say, things have certainly changed. Doctors now know that whiplash pain can mean lifelong pain and disability if those associated injuries aren't cared for properly when they happen, so we don't want to delay. There's some recent research that also tells us that people who suffer from a neck injury during a motor vehicle accident are very likely to experience both whiplash pain and future neck pain. But thankfully, the research also indicates that chiropractic care can improve range of motion and decrease pain associated with whiplash injuries. And if you're looking for a chiropractor who treats whiplash in Tucson, Arizona, you've come to the right place. With all the stress that comes with the accident itself, calling insurance companies, getting cars repaired, and so on, it's not uncommon for people to make the mistake of putting their health and well-being last on the to-do list. Your body was not designed to deal with the forces that occur during a car accident. Even low-speed collisions, there's research that shows that an accident of like 9 miles an hour is enough force to injure the delicate ligaments in your neck that support your head. And although modern cars have an array of safety features, the damage from an accident can range from small aches to life-changing injuries. The forces that both the vehicle and your body have while driving along the road is known as kinetic energy. It's true, your vehicle has been carefully built to displace the kinetic energy that occurs during an accident. However, no matter what type of car you have, your body is still going to absorb some of that impact, and it's likely that those powerful forces will cause injuries to your body. During a car accident, your head moves forward and backwards so suddenly with a tremendous amount of force. And if you've sustained a whiplash injury, it means your head and neck have been fully and forcefully extended beyond the normal range of motion. This creates partial tears and other damage to the muscles, to the ligaments around your spine, and also can injure the spinal discs or nerves that the spine is supporting. It'll also injure your spine supporting muscles too. A lot of things can get damaged when we have these whiplash injuries. A few key indicators that you may have suffered a whiplash injury include 1. Neck pain, stiffness, headaches, dizziness, and pain in any of the extremities in your arms or legs. You can have any of these things. If you or someone you love has sustained a whiplash injury recently and are considering seeing a chiropractor who treats whiplash here in Tucson, here's some quick facts to keep in mind. 1. Today, whiplash injuries are considered severe, and that rapid back and forth motion that occurs during the collision can lead to permanent injury to the ligaments of the neck. 2. It's estimated that over 80% of people involved in a car accident sustain whiplash injuries. 80%. What's more, over 50% of people with neck pain or whiplash pain after a car accident will continue to have pain a year or more after their injury, especially without treatments. So remember this. Immediately after any accident, your adrenaline's pumping, so you might not feel any whiplash pain or overall physical discomfort because you'll most likely be in kind of a state of shock. That's why many people wake up the next day or two after an accident finally feeling the full brunt of their injuries for the first time. If you've been involved in a car accident, you may be wondering how long this pain is going to last, and it depends. Some improve with early treatment in a few days to a few weeks. Some with more serious injuries can take a year or more for recovery. But the good news is, with a proper evaluation and early treatment, you have high likelihood of getting well within a matter of weeks. So receiving the proper diagnosis and care after a car accident can help you reduce your likelihood of struggling with whiplash pain and a lifetime of chronic neck pain. Our office is focused on accurately assessing, documenting, and treating those who have been involved in a car accident and help them regain their quality of life as quickly and safely as possible. So don't shrug off any accidents and push your symptoms aside. Instead, follow 3 easy to remember steps. First, get an evaluation. Next, begin receiving care. Finally, stay consistent. Getting well is a process, so if you've been in an accident and think you might have sustained a whiplash injury, or someone you know has been involved in an auto accident recently, be sure to reach out to our expert team as soon as possible. We need a chiropractor who treats whiplash here in Tucson. Remember, our doors are open and we're here to help right now.